What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz and I'm back with another video, but this time I'm going to be showing you guys how Maluma's haircut is created. Right off the bat, we will debunk the entire head with a number 3, making sure we go against the grain. To make this as simple as possible, I started with the design because I noticed he doesn't get faded underneath. Guys, don't forget to use the corners on your trimmer as well as the corners on your razor. After setting our design on one side, I set in a baseline in a mid-drop form. With the BARBER shaver, I shaved all the stubble left under the line we just put in. The next step is to open your lever all the way and make a full inch guideline. You will then want to close up the lever all the way and then hit that line that you just created halfway. If you still see a harsh line from the line you just created, grab your trimmers and hit it till it's gone. Through this guideline, you want to keep opening up the lever as you go up. Now with the half guard, you want to go halfway with your lever, creating a half-inch guideline. Okay, now using the 1.5 guard now, with the lever open, you want to go up about a full inch. After this step, run the number 2 guard open right above. Finally, with the lever open, no guard, use your corners to hit that last bottom line. Keep in mind that coming back to detail is always key for a flawless haircut. As we go down to the beard, I ran a 4 guard on all the bulk you see. I then lined up the bottom and passed the shaver for a cleaner look. Guys, for this following step, I use bleach to get a really nice blonde like Maluma tends to have most of the time. Came across the top because he had more bulk than went off to the sides. And remember to evenly spread the solution. Also, keep in mind you always want to use foil to trap the heat. YouTube, here we have the finishing product. If you do like the unique hairstyles, let me know in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. What's up guys, so thank you for staying throughout the whole video. Now it's time to explain to you guys that I have a PS5 in hand and I'm giving it to you guys. There's 4 easy steps for Instagram. The first one is to go to my Instagram, go on the post and share it on your story. The second one is to tag 3 people down below in the comments of that same post. The third one is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you already are, then great. And then the fourth one is to obviously follow the Instagram itself. For all of you guys that are entered, thank you guys so much. If you haven't, go do that right now. Peace. Guys, and I did pay resale for this PS5, so I actually could have gotten 2, but hey, it's a hype right now. Peace.